Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to change the background in Wix. For example, you can see I'm on my Wix website. Now to change the background for an individual page, all you would need to do is simply select the page. Once you have done that, you're going to see the option change background. And you can tap on change background right here. And from there, you can scroll down and you could select the color that you would like to change it to. Or you can either tap on image and you could change the background to an image. So for example, let's say I wanted to change it to this image. I could select it, then tap on change background. And you'll realize that the background for that particular section has changed. Now, if you would like to change the background for the entire page or for all the pages on your Wix website, you're going to need to go over to the left-hand menu option. And you're going to tap on the fourth icon from the top, which is the capital A that says Site Design. From here, you can select Page Background. After selecting Page Background, again, you can choose to either change it to a color, image, or video. But we are going to be selecting, for example's sake, let's say this image right here. So let's say this image. You can select the image. After you have selected the image, you can see that it has changed the background for the current page. If you would like to apply these changes to other pages, you can tap on apply to other pages. Then all you'll need to do is tick the other pages that you would like to apply it to. So you can tick all the pages as you can see right here. After you have ticked all the pages, you can see apply to other page. Then once you're finished, you'll simply tap on the X right there. And you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner to save your changes. And after you have done that, you can tap on save and continue. Then from there, you can tap on done and you could select preview and you'll be able to preview it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.